Okay, we're gonna add some oil,
dry red chili,
cinnamon stick, cardamom, black peppers, cloves, and some coconut, say 2 tablespoons of coconut,
whole cumin and coriander seeds,
3 cloves of garlic, equal amount of ginger, some mustard seeds, peanuts, 2 tablespoons, very tiny amount of poppy seeds, on a low flame we're going to toast them for a couple minutes, not for too long. Okay, we see the masala is now all toasted, just right in color, so we're going to turn off, gonna blend it, make a fine paste of it. Okay, we will add some water to the masala. So now we're going to make a fine paste of this. We're going to add that to our curry. To the same pan we're going to add a little bit of oil. And we're going to add our chopped onions to it. Chopped onions. We're going to add some sea salt, some turmeric. Okay, mix it well. Basically the salt will bring the water out from the onions and it will make it cook quicker. And it will bring the flavors out as well from the onion. So that's our tomatoes ready. You're going to cook them on a medium flame. Okay, we've been cooking our onions and tomatoes for 10 minutes. I'm going to let the steam escape. Okay. Alright. That is looking nice. See, the onions and tomatoes are now nicely cooked. So we're going to add masala to this. And continue to cook for another 10 minutes with the masala while our eggs getting boiled. Our paste is ready, the masala paste. We're going to add this to our curry. Okay, we will add some water to this to let it cook for another 10 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna add some chili powder to this. Okay, we're gonna cook this for another 10 minutes. Okay, we got our boiled eggs ready, so we're gonna fry them up a little bit to get a nice texture. Then we add it to our masala gravy. Okay, I've fried them for roughly 5 to 6 minutes and I've got a nice little texture on them. So we're ready to add them to our masala. We're going to add a little bit more water to get a nice consistency. Give it a little cook so we'll soak in the gravy. Right, and finishing touch, we're going to add some coriander.
That's it, our egg masala is ready now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.